Hello, bon dia, and welcome to my presentation about systems for conformity assessment and factory inspection. My name is Thomas Bilz. I am with the VD Institute, and amongst others, I'm in charge with the Department for Inspections and Conformity Control. On IEC level, I am a member of the Peer Assessment Committee. I am also an IECEE lead assessor and technical assessor. I'm a member of the trainer team for lead assessors and technical assessors. I was the chairman of the IECEE Committee for Factory Surveillance. Since IECEE has withdrawn the factory surveillance activities, this committee has been disbanded. In the European Community of Ethics, I am the chairman of the IPC, the Inspection Policy Committee. This committee is in charge with the strategic orientation and development of CIG inspection scheme. I am also the chairman of the OSM FIP, the Operational Staff Meeting Factory Inspection Procedures. This committee is in charge with the development and maintenance of the operational documents and the harmonized requirements for the CIG inspection scheme. Some background. VDE is the association that is more than 125 years present at the market. We are combining science, standardization, testing, and certification under one roof. Our range for testing and certification covers the entire field of electrotechnical components, products, and systems. IEC system for conformity assessment schemes for electrotechnical equipment and components. It is a multilateral certification scheme based on IEC international standards. Its members use the principle of mutual recognition of test results to obtain certification or approval at national levels around the world. The IECEE schemes address the safety, quality, efficiency, and overall performance of components, devices, and equipment for homes, offices, workshops, health facilities, and others. In all, IECEE covers 23 categories of electrical and electronic equipment and testing services. Currently, there are 54 IECEE members, and Brazil is one of them. These are the conformity assessment schemes offered by IEC. The IECEE, the scheme for electrical and electronic equipment. The IECX for hazardous environments. The IECQ for electronic components. And the latest development, the IEC-RE, the scheme for renewable energy. Today, I would like to focus on the IECEE scheme for electrical and electronic equipment and the IECEE CB test certificates and reports. The IECEE CB scheme is based on the principle of one test, one certificate. This combination is the basis for further international recognition. This is an example for a CB test certificate. To obtain such a CB test certificate, the manufacturer submits the product sample together with a list of countries where he intends to obtain further certifications. The manufacturer submits that package to his national certification body. This NCB applies the relevant IEC standards and considers the relevant national deviations. The NCB submits all to one of his CB test laboratories. They carry out the testing and issue the CB test report. After testing is completed, the CBTL submits the CB test report to the NCB to issue the CB test certificate. Both the CB test report and the CB test certificate are sent to the manufacturer. Here is the end of the procedures. They are covered by the IECEE CB scheme. All further steps are in the hands of the manufacturer. The manufacturer might now take the CB test report and the CB test certificate to apply in country B for a national or private certification mark. He might do the same in country C and country D. However, from here on, all requirements and procedures of the individual certification schemes need to be followed. Body B has its individual requirements and procedures for factory surveillance, initial and follow-up. Body B has also its individual inspection report. The same counts for Body C and Body D. The CB scheme has no scheme for inspections. However, in Europe, we have the harmonized CIG inspection scheme. Body B applies the same requirements and procedures as Body C and Body D. The CIG report issued by Body B is accepted by Body C and Body D. The CIG inspection scheme is a common tool for the supervision of manufacturer locations producing type-tested and certified electrical products in a serial production. The CIG inspection scheme is based on a multilateral inspection agreement. Members don't need lots of bilateral agreements anymore. The CIG inspection scheme members have access to the global resources of CIG inspection bodies and CIG authorized inspectors. The CIG inspection scheme stands for Mutual Acceptance of Inspection Activities performed by inspection and certification bodies in Europe so far. Currently signed by 27 members from all over Europe. Every member follows the same procedure and all members accept each other's inspection result. One of the most known documents of this scheme is OD CIG 023, the Factory Inspection Report. This is how CIG 023 looks like. All member bodies apply the same scheme. In the meantime, the European Harmonized Inspection Procedure has been transformed into the CIG inspection scheme. Now, the CIG inspection scheme serves all European certification schemes. As you can see, the CIG inspection scheme serves the HAR scheme for cables and cords, the CCA scheme, the ENEC scheme, and others. Is the CIG scheme only for European certification bodies? No, it is not. The ETICS harmonized CIG inspection scheme is now open also for certification bodies outside of Europe. A membership in the CIG inspection scheme brings a lot of benefits to new members, but also to their clients. Benefits for certification bodies. To become a member, CBs just have to sign one agreement to become part of the CIG family. With a membership, CBs strengthen their relationship and cooperation with European CIG members as well as with CIG members outside Europe. CIG inspection scheme members have access to the global resources of CIG inspection bodies and CIG authorized inspectors. Benefits for manufacturers. Manufacturers' primary focus is on product development, production, and market sales. However, to ensure quality, audits and inspections are a crucial part of the process. With the CIG inspection scheme, manufacturers gain the advantage of a single inspection visit from a single CIG inspector, rather than multiple visits from various inspectors representing various bodies and applying different inspection schemes. Therefore, the CIG inspection scheme is the pathway to substantial saving for manufacturers in both time and money. Reduced travel time and accommodation costs for inspectors. Faster on-site inspections due to optimized inspection process. Reduced efforts related to preparation, escorting inspectors, and managing various inspection procedures and materials. Simplified internal processes due to reduction to just one inspection scheme. As you can see, there are lots of benefits for CBs they become CIG members, but also for the clients of CIG members. Are you interested in the CIG inspection scheme? If yes, for more information about the CIG inspection scheme, please contact the ETICS Secretariat in Brussels under the email address you find here, or send an email to my attention, and I will be happy to assist. Thank you for your attention, and let me know if you have any further questions.